Here at Boundary, we work on cars, vans too, even trucks. But did you know we work on motorbikes also? Let me show you what we've done to this stunning BMW 1000R. Okay, first job was a tracking system. Best system for this on a motorcycle is the Datatool Stealth S5, insurance approved, Thatcham approved. A Datatool rider tag comes as standard and provides immediate theft detection if your bike is stolen without keys or moved without tag detection. You can also pair your phone as a tag. If the tag or the phone aren't seen, you'll get an alert from the monitoring centre who will contact you instantly to confirm whether a theft has occurred. Protects your bike against unauthorised movement. 24/7 monitoring, multiple theft alerts. Okay, we've removed the seat cover, shaved the foam on the seat so the rider can sit a little lower. We do retrim bike seats too, and also do embroidery. Give our guys in upholstery a call for this service and they'll be able to help you. Suntek paint protection film, best on the market. We have the most popular bike patterns available, all cut in-house. Suntek Ultra comes with a 10-year warranty. On this bike, we've just done the tank in PPF to give protection from the rider's jacket and legs to stop the tank being scratched. But we do have a full pattern kit for this bike for complete everything that's white we could do in paint protection, even the headlight. And lastly, a 3D gel plate for the rear. Send anything you like, give us a call. We like talking to people, we prefer it than messaging. Maybe we're a bit old school. We're here 8:30 till 5, Monday to Friday.